baci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everybody, I'm Jamie Tait and welcome to Thirsty Thursday.
I'm Ross, and today we're going to make the Paloma. So the Paloma is from Mexico, and its two main ingredients are tequila and grapefruit juice. To sweeten it up a little bit, Jamie's going to put a little bit of sugar in the bottom of the glass, and he's going to put in some grapefruit, some lime, and he's going to dissolve the sugar, and that gives it a little bit of that sweet. So we also have some grapefruit club soda here, and we're going to use that also. The tequila that we're going to use is anejo, which is an amber tequila. You can always use blanco as well, tequila, whichever you have. And so this should be about equal parts as the grapefruit juice. And then we're gonna, you can also just use club soda. You don't have to use the grapefruit club soda, but we wanted to be a little extra. Is that what the kids say now? Extra?
Yeah, I think so.
Extra.
Oh, we're using ice in this too.
Put a little ice cubes.
There you go.
We're going high end. We've got a little garnish for you over there. You know what? I'm going to go with 3 ice cubes today. Yep.
Did you got these?
I did.
Lime? Oh.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
There you go. The Paloma. Grapefruit juice, tequila, and deliciousness. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's really
That's really good.
You
That's
could
summer in a
drink
glass.
Oh yeah.